Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to install Bitnami WordPress website locally. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to any browser in your laptop or desktop and search for Bitnami WordPress. After which you click on their website. Once you are there, you simply click on on my computer. After which you scroll down and you simply choose the version of your computer. So I'm actually using the Windows version, so I'll click on Windows. I'll simply need to download this application. So I'm actually downloading the application, so this might take a while. So once the download is completed, you simply need to open the file, after which you will simply need to install the application. Once installation begin, we are going to simply need to choose our language. That's our installation language. So I'm going to choose English. After that I click on OK. So welcome to the setup, that is a WordPress package. So I'll click on next. Yep, I'm going to leave it like that. After that I click on next again. After that I click on next. Once you are here, you are simply going to create a note file. So I'll create a note file. I'll name it, so you can give it any name you want. So I'll simply write my rename. So you can write your own name. After that, you can simply insert your email address. So I'm going to insert my email address. After that, you log in. So login, I'm going to insert Elect TV. After that, you need to create your password. So guys, I'll just like put it in any manner. So once I'm done with that, I'll simply copy and paste. Copy and paste. That's, I'll copy my email address, copy my log. After that, I'll simply need to create my password. So I'm going to copy it. We'll confirm the password. So once I'm done with that, I'll simply click on next. After which I'll simply click on I'll simply need to insert my block name. So block name, depending on you, I will leave it like that, like that. So I'm just going to leave my block name like that. So I'll copy it. Once I'm done with that, I'll simply click on continue. That's next. So do I want to receive any email? I'll like, no, I don't want to receive it. In your own case, if you want to receive a supporting email from the WordPress, so I'm going to leave the box unchecked. After that I click on next. After that I'll simply click on next, on next. So this might take a while, so you need to wait. So once installation is complete, you simply need to click on finish. It is automatically going to launch your website. So for you to access your WordPress website, you are simply going to click on access WordPress. So guys, this is our WordPress website. So we need to log into the dashboard. That's the WordPress dashboard. So what we'll simply do is that, so guys, we'll simply need to get access on our WordPress dashboard. So we are going to copy our password, that is the login password. That's the username. Sorry. After that, our password. After that, we'll click on login. So guys, this is our WordPress dashboard. So in the next tutorial, I'll actually show you guys how to install plugins on your WordPress website locally. That is how you can how you can start creating your website for free, that is locally, before buying a domain name. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment and like this video and share it. Peace.